Hey folks, today we'll show you how to assemble the Amulet 24 speed bike. Let's unpack the bike. Be careful of the copper clips when unpacking. They can scratch the bike or you, so remove them carefully. Take the bike out of the box. Attach the seat post to the stand. When unpacking, use pliers instead of a cutter. This way we won't scratch the bike. After unpacking, check the bike for any shipping damage. If it's fine, we can proceed with assembly. First, we need to secure the handlebars. We'll need a 4mm Allen wrench for this. Remove the entire front part of the stem. After removing the front stem, take the handlebar. Arrange the cables and housings to avoid crossing. You'll notice grooved parts on the handlebar. These ensure precise fitting into the stem. The grooves match the width of the stem clamp. It's used to quickly mount the handlebars and ensure they're centered correctly. We can see where it starts and ends. It's the same width as the stem. We'll reinstall the front of the stem just as we removed it. We left the screws loose to adjust the angle of the handlebars and components like brake levers. The correct angle isn't horizontal but slightly angled downwards. Next, we'll tighten the screws and grab the front wheel's quick release and the wheel itself. We'll push the quick release through the frame and loosen the V-brake before installation. Remove the dust cap, hold the black part, pull the silver part to unlock. Now we can install the front wheel, then we'll reconnect the brakes. After installing the front wheel, we're left with the pedals. Pedals are always marked left and right. Right pedal goes on the right side, left on the left. The manufacturer designed it so you can identify the pedal even without the sticker. The right pedal has a smooth axle, while the left has notches you can feel by hand. Before installing, I recommend greasing the pedal threads with petroleum jelly. Start the right pedal by hand to catch the thread, then tighten fully. We'll use a 15mm pedal wrench for tightening. Here's a trick if the bike's on a stand. Hold the wrench steady and rotate the pedal backward. This tightens the pedal. After assembly, remove the bike to check wheels and tighten pedals and handlebars. Finally, we just need to adjust the handlebars. And it came out parallel to the wheel. We'll use an Allen key to tighten the handlebar. Top screw first, then bottom, and tighten the pedals. Let's check the wheels again. Remember to maintain the upward angle during installation. For the front reflector, don't worry about the angle. If you mount the bell like I did, no worries. You'll find the required pressure on the tire sidewall. The required pressure is listed in either bars or kilopascals. Everyone's familiar with bars. We see it's between 2.8 and 3.5, so aim for somewhere in the middle. Attach the pump to the valve. Now the bike is fully assembled and set up, ready to ride. You'll find all details in the manual, including assembly instructions, and I'll just